some people don't even start because they're too lazy or they got too much time to waste.
I didn't take no trades today because it's a bank holiday. You guys can see the market is on holiday, so
it takes sacrifice. It takes days like these, working 10 plus hours on my shit, on my craft.
Pretty much what I've been editing is just my strategy, but if you guys want to learn my strategy, you guys can check the free course. I'm soon going to have it up here, but this is what I got for right now.
The other factors around it is the hard part, and it starts from within.
There was a move presented, but it was very risky.
It's fucking hard, and I know this shit. But the harder it is, the bigger the reward, right?
So right now I'm chilling outside my car. I just came out for some fresh air. I've been locked in since the morning, just working on the content, really emphasizing on a lot of stuff that I gotta work on for myself and to make things easier for myself as well, and like just things I want to test out. Also a lot of back testing. Been up since 7 in the morning. Right now it's like 2 p.m. Had a coffee, I'm wired up. I think I had 2 cups today, bro. I was just not moving a lot, right? Just sitting a lot and just staying in place. And I came for a walk just to move around. Like I said, I need to get a certain amount of steps in order to like not feel like shit throughout the whole day. And during my days off, sometimes that's not possible, right? But right now, I'm about to get my son's, he has like a trampoline my dad bought for him. I'm gonna get this shit down, set it up for him, and yeah, just carry on along the day. Currently got some modules done on editing the modules on CapCut. Soon they're gonna be up on the free beginners course. You guys should check that out. But pretty much this is what I was trying to like emphasize more on the course. So this is today's price section, right? You guys can see it's Monday, it's the 17th, and I didn't take no trades today because it's a bank holiday. You guys can see the market is on holiday, so there was a move presented, but it was very risky. It's as clear as daylight, right? What do we have here? We have a 1 hour gap. We tapped it at 6 a.m. and we came back into it at 9 a.m. market open, and we had a reaction from it, right? We came down to the Asian session lows. That would have been my target. And right here, this line is the previous day's high, right? It's just a little overview, like this already happened, but I'm just breaking it down to you guys. Because like I said yesterday, because I think I shared it yesterday, I'm not too sure, but like pretty much what I've been editing is just my strategy, and I thought I just wanted to show you guys this because some people won't really want to see it. But if you guys want to learn my strategy, you guys can check the free course. I'm soon going to have it up here, but this is what I got for right now. It's just basic stuff, bro. Pretty much beginner friendly. That's what I mean. Like I'm just making that as simple for my friends to understand, and like I can help others do that, right? But yeah, we came in during market open, respected this gap, and just pushed down for our area of liquidity, right? Which was the Asian session low. And how do I determine the Asian session? Well, this gray area is an indicator that I have right here. You guys can have the settings, but yeah, it pretty much just shades out the areas from Asian session open to its close. So like I said, Asian session is a session that I like to use to mark down my targets because liquidity is up for grabs there. If London session is consolidating, New York might come up, take that liquidity and have a reaction from it, or vice versa. London might have a reaction from it. It's an area that we keep our eyes on because it stays in a lot of consolidation, and it's a target for price most of the time, right? It could be your take profit. It could be an indication of a reversal because price came down here. And pairing it, let's say we have a gap right here on a higher time frame, we have a 4 hour gap or something. Price would have came into the gap, which that's a stretch. But let's say the gap was right here, right? From this week to this week. Theoretically speaking, there's no gap. There's no gap. But let's say, right? So let's say on the 4 hour, we see this inefficiency. And we go back to the 1 hour. We see that we have London's lows here. You see that we respected this gap once and we traded into during market open. So I would have had an entry right here and just target this because I mean it's an area where there's liquidity and there's an inefficiency. That's pretty much what I've been going over on the course. And I just wanted to show you guys the strategy. It's pretty much just using these target zones, right? But if you guys want a more in-depth breakdown, I'll have it up soon on the course. Just stay tuned. I have this linked in the description. But yeah, we do have our combine up and ready for the week. It's fully resetted. Come on, bro. Come on, again. There we go. It's fully resetted. We have the 50K balance and all that good stuff. Our rules are simple. The risk to reward is set up for good. Personal daily loss limit 500. That's if I take 2 trades because I'm thinking about 300 or 250. Don't know yet. Just close the account and everything. I might also do it for my take profit and maximum trades per day. I want to do 2. And that's pretty much it, right? I think that's pretty much it. And the daily profit target would be 1K, right? That's if I take 2 good winning trades. I mean 1200, pretty much a good feature because it's gonna help me a lot respect my rules. But yeah, right now I'm almost done meal prepping. I'll show you guys the meals. And it's currently 3 p.m. I still got so much content that I want to record for the course, just to have it polished and ready for you guys. But overall, very chill day, just working. Not chill, but like, it's not me doing anything besides just sitting on the fucking couch, just working, right? But yeah, I'll catch you guys once I'm done with the meals. And yeah, just see you guys along the day. And it's been a very, very stressful day for the simple fact that, I mean, I forgot I had to meal prep. So y'all saw the meal prep, got that shit done. It took like good 2 hours out of my fucking day. Made myself some lunch. Right now, I'm going to edit all of this content, clean the crib because I left a mess. But the thing is, like, I already did the hard part, which is cooking. It was something I wanted to do, but I just wasn't doing it. Yes, it was a pain in the ass, but I mean, it's done. The meals are done. I have different meals for the whole week, probably even 2 weeks. So yeah, I overdid it with some of the meals, but I mean, it is what it is, bro. And that's out of my routine now. So like now it's like I got a whole ass hour to work on my craft, which is way better because I'm less rushed, less pressured of like, bro, you gotta make food, you gotta do this, you gotta. Now it's more chill, and it's good, bro. Trust me, like I was putting it off for a minute, meal prepping, but now that I did everything in the day, there's no more dishes, there's no more worrying about what's the next meal. It's all done, right? But yeah, about to clean the crib, shower, and go touch some grass, bro, cause I've been up damn near 11 hours in the house just. I mean, I did go for a walk, but I mean, it only helps so much. But I need to get out the house. I'm gonna go to Walmart right now
Yesterday, it was the oil that I forgot. Now it was the fucking water. I got no water too, so probably that's why I'm like in a bad mood. Not in a bad mood, but like my head hurts, so I'm probably dehydrated. Which, yeah, I think I'm dehydrated, bro. I think I'm dehydrated or some shit. I'm very sore because I started to do my squats with the 25-pound dumbbell instead of the 15. And it got to me too. My whole body is just shaking. Even though like I'm progressively adding weight to the workouts because I was doing mainly calisthenics. And it's kicking my ass right now. I feel kind of like, I feel very sore. I'm not tired, but I'm just sore, and I just need water. I need to get the fuck out the crib. I'm just too much in here, you know. But yeah, about to finish all of this. But yeah, I don't want to bore you guys with this, but like overall, it was a very productive day. It just drained me out because I mean I've been in the crib all day, just working, right? But overall, it was a great day. I could have done more. But it's fine because the meal prep pretty much sets me up for success, because now like if I want to add more modules to the free course, if I want to record more content specifically on a certain topic or just new ideas that I have, I mean I have an extra hour and a half that I saved by meal prepping that I can work on that, right? So a win-win situation. It's just a little bit it's a little bit draining mentally, but I mean, it is what it is. We got that shit done. But I'm gonna finish cleaning the crib. I'll catch you guys probably once I'm out. Probably like in an hour. Might be outside. I might cut my hair. Maybe that just helps me just get a boost of energy. I'm feeling down, but it's not like I'm feeling tired or anything. It's just like my brain is fucking, you know, I don't know, bro. My brain just feels like, you know, like it's just being squeezed and shit. This is what it takes. It takes days like this. I was speaking on this on my Instagram, right? You really got to work on this shit. Because trust me, like my friends that were trading, and I'm sorry that I'm putting them on blast, but like when I did the calls with them, in my mind, they're over here showing me that they're getting profits in demo and a little understanding that they have and all this stuff, right? Cool. When we did that call, when we had that one-on-one call, it was like they were lost. They didn't know what the fuck I was doing, and it really showed me that they are not putting in the work, but they want to do all these things. They're talking about the results. They're like, oh, once I start making money with trading, I'm gonna have this and that, the money, and it's like, bro, you're already in that dream state. You are envisioning something that you haven't even, you know, like your priorities are not straight. It takes sacrifice. It takes days like these. Like I'm sacrificing a lot, bro. Like been working 10 plus hours on my shit, on my craft. See, the normal person does this without thinking for a regular job because we're getting paid for those 8 hours, right? But see, some people would rather do that than work on themselves. Even though like it's hard to do this shit, sacrifice momentary pleasures, right? It's hard. It's common sense that if you want to be better than everybody else, you got to do the things behind the scenes, right? You got to practice, you got to do all these things. But even though it's common sense, some people don't articulate that, and some people don't even start because they're too lazy or they got too much time to waste. I pretty much asked my boys, like, how much time do you spend scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube? And they're like, whoa, over an hour, 2 hours, cut that shit. You have the time to waste, but not to put on what matters, you know? It takes a lot. Trust me, it takes a lot. It's a lot of mental fortitude. It's not easy. There's some people who have hit me up who are great at passing the combines, but struggle to get payouts. One thing is, making the money is easy, but to control yourself, to control your emotions, to control the other factors around it is the hard part. And it starts from within. How you do one thing is how you do everything. How you carry yourself behind the scenes is going to show when it's time to perform, right? It's hard. That's why I document this journey. I document this so people can see the reality of what it takes to become that great version of yourself. It's hard, bro. If it was easy, everybody would be doing this shit. It's hard. I'll catch you guys once I'm done.
Before I finish cleaning the restroom, I'm going to cut my hair because, I mean, I'm still going to deep clean the restroom. Might as well just fucking cut my hair, right? Just clean myself up, you know, shave. The back, I'm going to still just round it up because I don't have the time to, like, do a back taper, bro. It takes forever. But yeah, I'm about to cut my hair. Then I'll just head out for some water and just get out the house, bro. Just hopped out the shower. I mean, I did a pretty solid job, even though I'm missing one of my my clips. I still did a solid job, bro. Line myself up. Bro, these fucking baby hairs, bro. I swear. But yeah, I'm about to head to the mall right now. Probably just drive around for a couple minutes. And then I gotta get home, do my workout, do my workout, create the thumbnail and all these things for this video. I might throw in a little back testing session, but I mean, right now it's 6:30, so I don't want to upload this too late. Tomorrow we got work again. It's been a long weekend. We got to refocus our mind. We got so many things to work on. My new schedule is coming up, I think probably next week or the following week, where I'm just going to be off 3 days. So pretty much trying to prepare for when that time comes so I can have like my live trading sessions in the morning. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. But I'll catch you guys once I'm back. Man, just finished the workout. Forgot the water. I'm gonna go for the water tomorrow. I was out and about. Just got my mind straight. Tomorrow's a new opportunity, new trading day tomorrow. We're going to attack the markets like we always do. We're locked and loaded. We're ready for what the markets throw at us. We got news this week. Just play it very smart, right? We just got to play it very smart with the volume. We just got to understand when to go in, when to stay away, follow our rules. I'm not gonna stop stressing this enough to myself. Follow my rules, right? Following my rules. Nothing is getting in here. We're breaking through everything. We're overcoming the adversity that we've been facing. One thing I want to say is don't bring past emotions to new opportunities, right? Why am I going to bring that old mindset? Why am I going to bring my previous L's to this combine, right? The better version of myself wouldn't carry those old emotions to the next day. The better version of myself does not dwell on past losses. He just keeps getting better and elevating every day. It's hard, bro. Trust me, it's fucking hard, and I know this shit. But the harder it is, the bigger the reward, right? Let's get to it. I'll see you boys on the next one. I'm out.